In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Photoshop faster by adjusting memory, history states, and cache levels. If Photoshop feels sluggish when you paint, switch tools, or zoom, a few small preference changes can free up resources and make everything feel snappier. We'll make all changes in one place so it's quick and easy to follow. Start by opening the Preferences window and selecting the Performance section. In many setups, you'll find this under Edit Preferences Performance. Here you'll see the memory usage slider. This controls how much of your computer's RAM Photoshop is allowed to use. Sliding it higher lets Photoshop keep more information in fast memory rather than constantly reaching for the scratch disk. Aim for a generous but sensible range, often around 70 to 85% of your total RAM, depending on what else you run alongside Photoshop. Avoid maxing it out. Your operating system and any reference apps still need room to breathe. If you notice the whole computer slowing down after increasing this, dial it back slightly until you find a comfortable balance. Still in the performance panel, look for history states. History states are your undo steps. Each state stores a snapshot of your document, and the more states you keep, the more memory Photoshop must hold. Reducing this number trims that footprint. Choose a value that aligns with your workflow. For light retouching and general design work, a moderate number keeps you safe without being wasteful. If you often mash undo many times in a row, keep a bit more. If you typically commit to edits as you go, try fewer. The goal is to keep enough history for peace of mind while avoiding unnecessary overhead. Next, adjust cache levels. This setting affects how Photoshop caches image data for redrawing and responsiveness. Lower cache levels are ideal for small files and precise pixel work where you want sharper responsiveness at high zoom. Higher cache levels favor large documents or complex composites, improving the speed of panning, zooming, and applying filters on big canvases. In practical terms, lean lower when working on icons, UI elements, or small web graphics. Lean higher when handling high-resolution photos or multi-layer artwork. If you're unsure, start near the default and nudge up or down based on the kinds of files you open most. These three tweaks work together. By giving Photoshop more RAM, trimming history states, and matching cache levels to your projects, you'll reduce lag and keep your creative flow uninterrupted.